Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. My local Aldi has just been renovated and it was open today. Yay! I've missed it and I've done a little shop and I spent $15.99 and I'll show you what I got. My son gave me the money for this juice that he drinks. I don't like it, it's a bit too sweet for me. And that's let's see, juice $2.19 and that's for 2 litres. I got a big box of medium free range eggs, they were $2.49. I got cat sticks for my cat and they were $1.19 and you get 10 sticks. She just prefers the Webox ones, but she also likes these ones, but only in the salmon flavour. So I got that for her. They were $1.19. I got meaty strips for my dog. As you can see, it's open because she's on the scrounge. So, oh, she's gone because I gave her one. She took it, I legged it. And the meaty strips, dog treats, are 45p. My son likes these cheapy croissants. Get a fair few in the bag. And they're $1.49, so I think they're a good price. I got my jam and cream donuts, yay! They're 99p, because in Asda they're nearly double the price, so I won't pay that one. I know Aldi are selling them for 99p. So they've gone up, because before they were open, they closed, they were 89, so they've gone up 10p. I got a big tub of strawberries. My son's having a strawberry moment. And these are 400 grams and they're about $1.99. I got the large buying tomatoes. I've been buying these in Asda and the 137, but these are on the Super Saver 6 and they're only 79p. So that's a good deal, saving you what? Good, about 60p odd. I got blueberries, they're $1.43 in Asda and they're on offer for 75p because I like to throw them in my yoghurt or in my porridge. So I'll be on with some of them today and tomorrow. What else did I got sardines and sunflower oil. So I usually give these to the dog a couple of times a week with a bit doggy biscuits, and the cat gets a little bit, so it's good for them because it's got the omega-3 in. Let's see, I got a cheapy reduced loaf because I usually feed the birdies in the park, so I get about 3 days out of that, and that was 30% off. So it was it was 55p, but I got 17p off. So that's good. So I think, oh, for that price, it's worth feeding the birdies in the park with. I got myself some hummus. I'm going to eat that tonight. And that's usually 95p, but I got 30% off, 29p off. So I love hummus, just, oh, so nice. And let's see, oh yeah, I got a cheapy salad, which should be $2.29. It's 50% off, so it was $1.15. Piri chicken, and it's got salad, and I think it's quinoa in there as well, or couscous, I'm not sure, it just says grain. So I thought, oh, that'd be lovely. So I'm going to scoff that in a minute. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So altogether it came to $15.99. Oh, just really pleased. I got some discounts and reasonable prices for stuff like the cakes and stuff, and the croissants. And their fruit and veg is always much fresher. And even when it's reduced, it's still much fresher than the Asda, because I often find when you're buying reduced fruit in particular, you've got to really check it, because often there's mouldy bits or it looks all wet and disgusting, so you've got to really go through them all, if there's a few of them, to find ones that don't look so bad. But yeah, the new Aldi, it looks lovely. It's got lots of tall chiller cabinets with the see-through glass doors. It just looked lovely, nice new floors, and there was loads in the middle section of interesting stuff. But the last thing I need is more stuff, because I'm decluttering. Because all my cupboards and places like that are full of stuff that I need to get rid of. because I'm hoping to downsize too soon. And if you're interested, I've done 2 house tours, a separate downstairs tour and an upstairs tour if you want to have a little nosy. And my house is about to go up for sale. I'm hoping to downsize, get to Scotland, and my son will be coming with me, my youngest. He's hoping to get a place of his own. He's been saving up a deposit for the last 2 years near enough. And my other son, who's already up in Scotland with his Scottish girlfriend, will be looking for a place once we're up there, so he's nearby me and his brother. So if you could be so kind, give us a like and a comment would be great as well. And bye for now.